Hey guys, in this video we are going to be looking at labels. What this actually does is basically used to display text or images on your window. In the last video we talked about how to create window in Tkinter. So like I said, we are going to be using the label method to add a text on our window that we have created. So to do this, just go to your Python script that we created on the last video, and we'll create a variable. We'll create a new variable. You can call yours anything. You can call yours anything you like, but I'm going to call mine labels. So this variable is going to be equal to the label method. It's going to be equal to the label method, and we're going to create a bracket, and inside we're going to use the roots that we created, and we're going to add a text. We're going to add a text, and in this place we can actually we're going to add a text, and in here we can actually put whatever we want. So now that we've created it, we're going to create with this we're going to create our pack method. We're going to use our pack method to actually pack the widgets on there, on the windows. So now let's try and run this. So you can actually see that the text is displayed correctly. So in the next video we're going to be going over how to add buttons on our window. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and if you have any questions, just drop them at this and comment section below, and I will do so to answer your questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.